Hi students, good morning. Hope you are fine. So today we are going to deal with 10th class ma, 10th class portion. Students take out your books ma. And the third lesson we have completed. We have completed the third lesson ma. Regarding what? Regarding the lesson production and employment. Production and employment. So I hope you all enjoy the class ma. So in that you also what is production, what is employment. And again, I told you about the examples. Examples I told you. So even this is an example, ma. This is an example. Okay, say as example I gave you all see about Narsimha and Aishwarina. This is a small example. Okay, ma. So today we will start a new lesson, ma. Come to page number 44. Page number 44, ma. Ready? Okay. So the chapter 4, ma. Climate of India. Chapter 4, Climate of India. This can be taken as D6, ma. So, actually, India, what is the climate of India? What is the climate of India? So, we will see. See, coming climate and weather. So, actually, what is climate and weather? Climate and weather. You all ready, ma? Shall we go into the topic? Page 44, ma. Page 44. Okay. The state of atmospheric conditions. Underline, students. The state of atmospheric conditions over an area at a particular time refers to weather. Are you understanding, ma? This is very important, ma. The state of atmospheric conditions over an area at a particular time refers to weather. What, ma? Refers to weather. These weather conditions, okay, like state, very often even in a short period. So even these weather conditions change very often in a short period. Climate refers to such conditions, underline my students, climate refers to such conditions over a large area and follows a similar general pattern over many years. General pattern is followed in many years. So this is what we can differentiate between the climate and the weather. So your condition, can I clear till ma'am? Did you underline? So this para is very important for you. You'll have to by heart this para, ma'am. What have been the general conditions years after year? So year, what has been the general conditions year after year or more gives us the climate. There are variations. There are a lot of differences from year to year. But a basic pattern remains the same. But the pattern will not change. It remains the same. On the basics of these generalized conditions, the year is divided into seasons. So the year is divided into seasons because of these basic patterns. Underline, ma? Underline, students. The elements of weather and climate are temperature. Underline, ma, students. The elements of weather and climate are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. The pattern of these from place can be shown using pictures called climographs. Okay, pictures called climographs. Climatographics. Climographs show average monthly values of maximum temperature. So the climographs show the maximum values of the temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall for a given place. This is what is shown here. So this para is very important for your students. So here this para indicates, it shows the difference between the climate and the weather. So come again, page number 45. Climographs for a few places in India. So a few places are located in India. It shows the climographs. Okay. So you can see here. So here you can see New Delhi. Okay, rather in India. Again you can get Jaipur, Chennai. So these are the climographs. It shows like what is the climate here, what is the temperature there, what is the rainfall it shows here. Okay, students. This we will go through in the digiclass. I will send you a digiclass here. So here also this example is given to you. So we'll see this also is very important topic, students. This lesson you have to be very careful, my students. This lesson is very important for you. Factors influencing climate and weather. So what are the factors? What are the causes influencing climate and weather? The causes influencing climate and weather. It is observed that in some places it is observed example Chennai, there is not much difference. In Chennai, means Madras, present Madras, there is no differences between the temperature across months. No difference between the temperature across months. Some places, example Delhi, have wide differences. See, wide differences, a lot of differences in temperature across the months. India experiences wide, means a lot of difference variations in temperature which one India, our country. The north portion is bounded by the Himalayas. So the north portion of India means the north side. What is the border? It is bordered by the Himalayas. Whereas southern peninsula is surrounded by seas. So the side towards the Himalayas is surrounded by borders, okay, and surrounded by seas. Other portions. Some places are far from the coast. Some places are very far from the coast. So coastal areas. They are inland. Some places are at high altitudes. So India is not, the places are not located on the same one. There is a lot of difference between the places. Whereas others are on the plains. Some places, other places are on the plains. The factors that affect climate are called climatic controls. So mainly the factors which affect the climate are called climatic controls. These include, so what are the climatic controls? The sea. The first one is latitude. The climatic controls, the first one is latitude, water, land-water relationship. There is a water relationship between land and water. Again coming to relief, upper air circulation. So these are the four factors now. What are the four factors? Latitude, land-water relationship. Okay, latitude, land-water relationship. Again coming to relief, upper air circulation. Relief and upper air circulation. So these are the four factors now, which are causes for the climatic controls. Latitude or distance from the equator. So we'll see the latitude or distance from the equator. The average temperature for for the year drop as we go further away from the equator. So the temperature drops as we go away from the equator. For this region, we can divide the regions as, so that's why we can divide the regions of the earth as four kinds now. See, tropical as those close to equator. Tropical regions which are close to the equator. Tropical regions close to the equator. Polar as those close to the poles. You see, which come to the North Pole. The areas which come to the North Pole and South Pole. We can say these are the polar regions now. Polar regions. For example, we say the Arctic and the Antarctic. Arctic and the Antarctic. These are what now? These are the called as known as the polar regions, which are located near the North Pole. Okay, the regions called as the Arctic region, which are located at the South Pole are called as Southern region. So temperate as those in between these two extremes. So temperate areas, which are these are called temperate areas. Temperate areas. If we compare the climate of Indonesia and Japan, we can understand the differences. If we compare the climate of Indonesia and Japan. The reason for these differences is the differential heating of Earth that you have read in earlier classes. The Earth heats in Earth. Yes, we have already seen in the previous classes now. Intensity of temperature depends on the latitude. The temperature depends on the, underline my students, intensity of temperature depends on the latitude. The temperature of the atmosphere at a particular place near the Earth's surface depends upon the insolation. So this is underline mark. The temperature of the atmosphere at a particular place near the Earth's surface depends on the insolation. So this is also depending on the insolation. Heat from sun rays. So the sun rays, it will fall directly at the equator. So this way, these parts are very hot. This is more intensive in the low latitudes than in the high latitudes. As we move away from the equator towards the poles, the average annual temperature decreases. So here the temperature is very high. The sun rays fall directly. But as we move away from here, the sun rays fall very less. So what happens? The sun rays decreases here. The heat decreases. In India, the southern part lies in the tropical belt closer to the equator. So in India, the southern part lies in the tropical belt closer to the equator. So this is what the location of India. Some parts. Therefore, this region has high average temperature. That's why it has high average temperature. The heat is very high there in the northern part. This is one reason for climate of Kanyakumari being entirely different from Bhopal. See, that's the cause. That's the cause from the climate of Kanyakumari being totally from Bhopal. Now, see underline. India is situated roughly between 8 degrees to 37 degrees north latitudes, and the country is divided into almost two equal parts by the Tropic of Cancer. So that's why India is divided into two parts. We can say Tropic of Cancer. The part south of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the tropical zone. So the part of India which is lying to the Tropic of Cancer, it lies to the tropical zone. So you can understand, my students? The part north of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the temperate zone. So this is the difference. That's why India is divided into two parts. And that's why there are a lot of differences between the climate of India. Because why? Because of the location of the Indian places. So you all saw it clearly. The North Pole, South Pole, the equator, you all saw it, students. So land water relationship. So actually what is the relationship between the land and water? So there is a lot of relationship between the land and water. We will see in the next topic, my students. Okay? Am I clear, Telma? We see in the next topic. So today I just give you a little work, For social, you won't be having CW, because you will have your study material. Okay, ma? So describe India's climatic controls. Page number 56. Third question. Read it one time. So I give you a lesson work because you will concentrate on the lesson. Write neatly, right? Neatly. Okay, don't spoil your handwriting. Write neatly because you are on the I class now. Describe India's climatic controls. Okay, students. Am I clear, Telma? So this is your homework which I'll do today, ma. Okay, students. I hope you all enjoy the classes, ma. And don't forget to post your homeworks, ma. Please post your homeworks without fail. If you have any doubts, you can contact me anytime. Okay, I will be available to clarify my students' doubts at any cost and at any time. Okay, ma, students. Bye. Take care.